Hello everyone and welcome to Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. My name is Chef Ayesha and this is my channel. So Cuisine du Monde, this is a cooking channel whereby we cook cuisines around the world. So if today is your first time of coming across this channel, then you are welcome. You can support the channel by subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing the video, and you benefit by learning how to cook cuisines around the world. So today we're gonna make some garlic soup. Very simple, in minutes, delicious and beneficial for your holistic well-being. So let's dive right in. For the ingredients for this recipe, we need some cream, we need some 1 large onions, some thyme, we need sprig, we need 2 large potatoes, some leek, a lot of garlic, approximately let's say 3 cloves of garlic. We need to mince all of that. We need some coconut oil, all-purpose seasoning, some plain flour, white pepper, and some salt and parsley. Let's dig right in. Guys, on fire we have a clean saucepan on fire. Gonna put approximately, let's say, 3 teaspoons of coconut oil. Allow this to melt and then we proceed. Oil has heated up. I'm just gonna put in my rosemary just to infuse, and then in goes the onions. Saute this for approximately 5 minutes. So guys, in goes our garlic. As you can see, that's a lot because this is a garlic soup of your own, so you need a lot of garlic. Saute it together with the onions so it's very translucent. In goes our all-purpose seasoning, white pepper. Stir this, guys. And then in goes the leek. Saute this for another 5 minutes. Guys, in goes our flour. Approximately, let's say, 3 tablespoons of fat, 4. Then incorporate everything in. Add in your cream. And some water. Allow the flour to infuse in for approximately a minute or so. Then your salt to taste. Add in your potatoes. This is 2 large potatoes. Taste. Check for seasoning.
Ayesha's Unique Cuisines, Ayesha's Unique Cuisines, a place where your cooking is a cat food. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines, Ayesha's Unique Cuisines, a place where your cooking is a cat food. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. You are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. Come on, Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. A place where your cooking is successful. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. Come on, Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. A place where your cooking is successful. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. You are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. So So this is a cooking platform whereby we cook cuisines around the world. So if you like eating recipes across the globe, then this channel is for you. And you can support it by subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. That way YouTube get to recommend my channel, and I also get to upload more videos. Thank you.
And don't forget to subscribe if you like my content and you enjoy watching my content. Kindly support me by subscribing and sharing the video. Thank you. Bye.